What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So my people, if you don't know by now, Urban and the youth when name Martin, that a Shebada Rvn, we always a give the sus them or something. Them kick off, seeing Martin go hard and this Urban down to the blouse and skirt. Baby, we're sick then, let me just say sick. You know what I mean? Martin this Urban come back this him up and rare my people. Shebada run out like, you know, when you see a friend a fight and you're there at a distance and you just shut off. If you go help your friend done somebody, we are gonna get tonight. Shebada run out. Seeing cause Shebada fly out on vacation, you know my people, and war go on vacation forget and what mother say Shebada forget about vacation and a different friend. Seeing, so we have so much things. We have Dummy and say would have like to talk to him wife one last time. We don't know where more and clear up, where more and get closure to or what. You see me? Yeah. What we have again? We have Sky Diamond and the girl, a female name Shahood or something like that. You know what I mean? Wherever give her opinion, especially upon Hakeem them. She give her opinion in general upon what go on social media, but she ever went him there give her opinion upon Hakeem and Rosealee them situation. Zine, we are going to share what she have to say, we don't know. Zine with the Sky Diamond and the taking of the test, the HI test scene. Cause Sky Diamond come say some things, she say some things also, cause she say yo, oh shit. Cause Sky Diamond I said my chat them where these girls are sure, you know what I mean? I make them. You understand what I say? So one share where Sky Diamond have to say about that, you know. Alright, me did distracted for a minute my people. Here I go on, make we get in at my people. Whatever I wanna see in the video, now the intro definitely I go see in the video. Make we get in it.
Will it want to be hot or soft? Could it be just semi-automatic? So good morning people, so Urban come from Martin. Urban. If I drop it, then I drop on that table. Urban come from Martin, then Urban you think you're going after when I cost you. We are Mac you. Remember you alone full of loose skin, your skin floppy like.
Could it be the girl for we?
Could it be the girl for us?
Yeah man, give you a second chance.
Yeah, come on, look on this big silverback. You were a silverback and me make your favor flop. You were a silverback and me make your favor flop.
The weight fit her better than that.
Yeah, the weight fit her better for sure.
Put her back your weight in here.
Yeah man, she looks sock.
Yeah, nah, up.
You know like spirit the panel, Urban fever dopey the panel. Urban will come with symmetry.
Surely dopey.
Yeah. Urban your weight loss come with dopey. Spirit the for your diet. Spirit the for your diet, Urban. And nobody now tell you the truth. All when you're under filter, you look terrible.
Your husband still not accept you.
How this? Go suck on a mama. Me not from the Caribbean. You know long Urban and her husband a roommate at that Martin for tell her. You know how long Urban were overqualified to work from home because she still experience pandemic. The country open and Urban still inside the work. With them now. I can't bother with them people, yeah. Urban was still now stop talk, so your favor vine. Your favor vine coming up from the ground. In the full black. Mr. Urban favor somewhere get leak.
Yam vine.
You know that yam vine.
Yam vine.
Couldn't be the girl for me. No, no, no. Couldn't be the girl for me. Urban make people stick to body life. Then at this man do your urban. More and find I know say people wicked. Urban yourself will it find you so it would be a factor. Urban favor yam vine. You know like you can wrap the stuff around her and it goes so. Urban favor yam vine. And people that talk about urban look good. Urban, God believe me.
I know we should just.
If anybody wants to look good, you favor HIV. Nothing more. You favor HIV. Pluralize.
I know we should just.
She can't dress Halloween gown.
Yes, in October now for sure.
Watch all urban breast. You know the something for the by your breast? But for all of the titty you saw, I don't you say there. Urban dismiss. This is not a it. Look there. Anybody or any girl will say you look good, wicked. You don't look good. You favor candle holder. You don't look good, my baby. Yeah.
You give them invisible stitch.
Yeah, it is no urban. You don't have the money, it's not for the upper attack. And you know you're a broke girl under a wedding band. You know you're a broke girl under a wedding band. And she alone me see one of the things and not do it properly.
We don't TikTok, you not get no money. Husband not get no.
Yeah, I'm not planting drunk or rose. I buy me drunk or big fair. And it's not done yet.
Asham. When you eat it, choke you.
For sure. Everybody wait stay bad, but we don't come for talk to you today. Come now, make you take up my trip.
Is that cool?
Is it? Let me feel. Yeah, man, it's cold.
Cool.
You think life of the water so cold now, you think over there that in the stuff?
No, I'm glad to meet the world.
No.
Over the pool. See?
Yeah, the pool like I'm not cold, I can't do that. And can't be cool, you can't swim in that. You can't swim in that, you can't be cool, like you never be cold. And that is that. Then can't trip up on that. That is a jacuzzi. Yeah. Livia, somebody I call upon this minute if I hear enemy, I will come check it out quick. It look like I'm my opinion. Come check it out quick. Class, who forget class, Olivia, if I him, class him.
See you.
It got no. See it here.
Oh, my opinion,
Oh, you didn't write this so you don't see it.
there's some I now right.
Oh, so sometimes you chat me when you're eye now.
Wow, wait in there. You need some glasses.
Oh, you want me one glasses too?
You have 2020.
No, I buy glasses, I have. Doctors, you have for your glasses because we can't read.
My opinion is I'm look like one school girl. Duh?
Me too? My friend in a mix up.
Christian say laughter. Win some baby. Rasta you pan live.
Rasta again? Rasta, you want to come home? Ask yourself if you want to come home. Come, Rasta.
Trendy boy,
Trendy boy, a boya.
Boy,
Alright, my people, tell me what you think in the comment section and make you watch some more and then move on to the next.
You say everybody thinks I'm ear cream. Everybody thinks I'm ear cream.
what of coolies?
Them say I have AIDS, that's why my ear pretty, Rosealee.
No, my dear. What of coolie now, my dear?
Tell them how far me here come from.
We're born with good people in our family.
And one thing me know, Me supposed to be one of them on the app who say have AIDS the longest.
In my
And me see people come apart with rosealee with HIV. Your story's not over. Yeah.
around for me.
Me see rebel affair use. Pum pum roller. Rebel sick. Rebel sick.
What?
All of the thick blood people them sick. Pum pum roller. Roll on for perspiration. Roll on for your ear good. Roll on rebel sick. Me go talk about that. When I like show blood pan people come. A long time Switzerland maga. And then your mouth stink pan top of it, so you have bacterial problem on the inside. Come over talk about the sick people them. They got unearthed one of favorite supervisor.
Your first yeah. What are them? Yeah, read them.
Rosealee all rotten. Yeah. Rosealee all rotten. Rebel stink. Nobody can tell me rebel stink. Rebel stink. Yeah. Rebel is a stinking girl. That's why man not stay with her long. And it's just the truth. See Jates come and talk say Rosealee all are rotten away.
Come on, I said halitosis him out.
Yeah. Halitosis?
Yeah.
Switzerland.
Yeah.
Yeah, that means you might eat bottom. You never know. Yeah. A shitty man yam then if you have halitosis. A shitty man yam. You never know. Shitty might eat. All of them. Me from me born until now, you ever hear say a girl have something for her breast yet?
I don't know about red, I don't know about breast, I don't know about back, I don't know.
And that them girl you don't understand say rebel ill, rebel are rotten from the inside and top run out in her sweat. Talk to it. You only have to have so much when you know you have bad perspiration. So I'm going for one. Anytime no one can try this like me from fridge to foreign. From fridge to foreign I never tell a lie. I tea this?
So that is a black tea.
Drink it away like it's a lemonade. Oh.
Dinner for breakfast.
Crazy as so we live. Crazy as we eat dinner for breakfast. Oliver, you alone about the bone and I'm not saying you can bite up that bone from a place and try it up and give me my shoulder.
Because your teeth expensive.
Bite up this thing.
You can't bite bone.
And give me. I'm pretty out in my hand.
And a chicken back. Oh, you can't throw it in the graveyard.
Roll up on your road.
We are going to...
Oh, can I go buy something?
Here they say name the message. Chica.
Avis! Chica, want me to chat Avis? Come here. I'm nearly taking a Chica, but come here chat. I don't like the girl. Chica, I don't like her. Come on, chat her. Chica, you have anything to say?
Chica say no.
Yeah, Chica, me when you want to talk to me. You know what Avis though? Hey, girl, Chica. Black eye.
1-800 Avis.
Let me know that. Only, we now go buy something for us with stinking mouth. We're going to come up and our teeth now. And we're going to suck all.
What then? Remember we have good perspiration, good pH balance.
Yeah.
We not carry breath.
We don't carry breath from
We not carry stain. We not do none of them stuff with them in there.
All of our teeth now brush, we not carry over there.
We smell good naturally. God bless me with that.
Yeah. We are one of the girls who our sweat can drink.
Thank God for Jesus.
Yeah, our sweat can consume, we can drink our sweat. When a rebel, we are a rebel. But everything I fit in a cookie, so I don't know how my whole smell. Yeah. So I don't understand what I say. I tell you every day don't come about me. Cause all of the icon them on the app have stinking mouth. Down to Diamond Man him figure it out. Diamond have to say to him for life, say cause she can't take the breath no more. Then how your mouth stink so. One time Rebel did say Swissley mouth stink. What you say? A signal me now. Shut the people them now. Only thing is a signal me. Yeah, shut the people them now. Only Jesus, what a wicked girl. Remember Rebel did say, Swissley did say Rebel mouth stink. You remember that?
I'm having cheap veneers, what you expect?
Oh shit.
Remember them so when they put in the cheap veneers, you buy the bread with it?
Tell me what you I got my orthodontist what you and me lay down in a chair. On the bed. And when the man put the acid in my mouth, only them hold it in my mouth. So I come home at 2 days I don't brush my teeth for. Never tell you no? 2 days I don't brush my teeth.
Tinkerbell!
2 days. I'm a breath up to scratch one can them bone you go back to Jamaica go give me dog them you know. Me not like waste food and foreign. I know say that.
You have to get wait them there. You have to get Urban because she can't eat food. Remember she can't eat food.
Come Urban the real. Urban come.
Thank you.
Come Urban. Urban, you want gravy with this vegetable?
No, she need the sauce. You're the mustard.
You want to get the mustard in them? No.
The mustard.
Yeah, the ketchup.
No, the ketchup in the fridge. I want it for mix with mayonnaise. Girl, look at the mustard.
Come Urban, I use this. A bon appetit underneath we.
Bon appetit.
Urban, at this year talk about big old Urban.
Yeah, no, put it back right there so.
Yeah, put on a napkin, yeah. Cause the plate them for soak. But what is something there, but the step off of that sink, cause every spoon I go drop down in that sink, yeah. Every spoon and fork I go drop down in that sink, yeah. You got no stopper. What do you already yet?
You know, 90 was that I told? Yeah.
Of course, 90, my friend.
Our daughter is Lydia.
Of course, me know 90. Me know 90, my friend. Me know 90. Yeah, me and them get their friend a long time. Long time.
You remember Lydia, our daughter, Onella?
Yes, I don't feel Onella.
She gets fat, that's right.
No, to mama blood finger. Warpen, show your mother.
Alright.
Big her up for me. Make them know say me have Rima company.
Ivany.
Well, I don't know that name. Ivany?
Yeah, remember which part Eddie come from, yeah.
Eddie come from Tivoli.
You gotta talk about them and we gotta go on and on. And you go low,
people them can't talk everything.
and adjust how it goes. That is how you
Urban
like
and here
it.
what go happen to Urban. The people them a go beat
And me
to
a go
Urban.
me a go
And you not go like
them that
it.
have none, me a
Stop
go
up pull on the people them work
I
with
just
I'm pretty
so
sure they
it
are better
Urban,
than
the people them a go
You
beat
come to me,
people them
me
a
a
go
go
beat
come
the
to
husband.
you. Just
People them
like
a go
if a
beat your
girl come to
child.
you, you go. If them can't talk anything they want, but me pick them
We
well
mean there's
and
no rules to
perfectly
war.
fine.
There's
You're not
to
gonna
be
hurt
morons.
me.
People
It's
Then
not
that's
gonna
okay.
hurt
There's
me.
no
We
rules
mean
to
there's
war.
no
The people, I want to tell me what they think in the comment section because here I go on. You see Urban, you know my people. Urban is a girl like this way. She want in the TikTok space. She want be a here what she call herself urban reporter. So she want to be a reporter, she want to talk about everything where in the space, she want chew her word pan whoever she no like and something. But me no feel like say Urban can manage them people here with up on social media, because them people here we go hell. You say we go lower when them go lower, hell them a go. You see me, I say them people here, me never see Urban go up against somebody yet. And me feel like say yes, Urban got that person, Urban deal with him in the wickedest or she in the wickedest way, way. Them always come fear and done her in her way. You see me? So me don't feel like say yes so I fear. Me feel like say Urban I want a nice girl who just want in the social media space and love look a bit of mix up and I try a fight, but you know what I mean? But who am I to tell her what to do? I just give my opinion on the situation, so people make me know to think you hear the people in my want her, especially she have a picnic way, way, that even worse, because they're going to use the picnic and beat her. And enough of the time, people, I wonder if these persons don't have family. You know what I mean? Family where them link up with more while, and where the disgust in the family them face to the behavior where them are going with on the internet. I wonder if them don't have nobody will check them and say, yo, I don't like where you are going with on the internet and something way. Although everybody are them own big people still, you know what I mean? But me know what I think.
My child is perfectly fine. I'm
That's what I don't like. Nobody have morals nowadays.
There is no rule, like you said, sir.
Yes.
If somebody put a comment for your picture, something where you're not like, you're not after to pull on the people then picture like that.
That are you not do that. You not tell Urban how for angular thing. If you don't want your picture get pulled up and you don't want to be dragged and disgrace, then not talk about nobody then. Canada win a perfect. You can't find 5 fault and minimum bad Urban 10 fault about you. You can't tell me. Nobody have a tight now, guess what? You see next 6 months time, when my black muscle and my tightness, I understand when I say, oh, Urban tough, and Urban, go still find something. When me did fat, oh, she fat. When she lose weight, oh, she and when the muscle come, I say, oh,
anything I want to say about
and then when the muscle come, I say, tight, because mouth make the chat. You chat, me chat, I saw the word right.
You all we have a chat, so
when I tell me say, oh,
that's
the
why we
world
over your name this morning
and I chat and I talk about people over everything.
We think you're going too far.
I always feel like I only want supposed to chat.
We're going to talk about your chat, and when there is nothing left to talk about, we'll go to your man.
Well, make sure say, and it not gonna affect them. 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 It's not gonna affect them.
To war.
It not gonna affect them.
Rules to the war.
It not gonna affect them. The handicap pitney and the handicap man live better than most of them.
Live better
so make
than
sure
what?
say
Live
when
better
they
than
chat,
Urban.
on the tip on
Live better than you.
chip on the profile.
You know to say you're stressed. You know to say you're stressed.
Private.
You're on a special
private.
That's why you're coming
private. Keep the profile
because you're on a special needs home over there.
Alright, so the not chat, keep the profile private.
We don't have to put up none Urban.
Special needs pick
we don't have
better than you.
May I ask a question?
You ever push out of your friends the crutches?
Guys, no children mentioned.
No, them can't bring in the children. The child is in school and the child is doing great. Them can't say anything what them want.
I don't
them can't say anything what them want. Yes, so that me not understand with Uno hypocrite. Uno want to tell people how not to do and then Uno do it. No, you go lower, me go lower.
We're not
Can I say something, please?
They can speak about the child. The child is in school doing great. The child is not affected. The child don't know who the girl be, don't even know what TikTok is. That not hurt the child at all.
And she will never know.
Can I ask you a question, Urban?
Go ahead and ask the question. Yeah, my phone come down.
Yeah, so my question is, so what does that do if our pages aren't private? How does that hurt us? If you put up a picture, what is that going to do to us ultimately?
What is that?
Because our pictures are already up and out
because
there.
obviously, but hurt because it's hurt.
Not about hurt over here. Far from it. But I'm trying to figure out if our pages are open, what exactly does that do? How does that hurt us by putting up a picture we already have open and out.
Me no know
I don't
if it
understand
make
that.
una hot and bothered. Obviously, una
Who is
bothered.
the
If we never
I am
bothered,
different. I am
if it wasn't
different fabric. It
bothered,
doesn't bother
Urban,
me.
you said there is
never
no
bothered. It
rule
was
to
the main
war.
topic
So I
this
don't
morning.
understand.
It
You
obviously
put up a
strike a
picture
nerve.
that I've already
And
put up. How
phone
does
picture
that
never go up
hurt?
in a and
No
on
one
earth
is
and a kick
perfect.
panel this
No
morning.
one
Imagine.
no one
But you
is
not put up a
flawless.
picture in a
How
pepto.
does it
You not put
bother
up a picture pepto in a
anyone?
because me know at the time when you
Calm
take
down,
I do
calm
this.
down,
You should
take a
either
breath,
walk or run
drink
or do
some
something. You
water.
can't hear
We're
the
all
fatness
grown,
by your
reasonable
voice.
women here. I was just asking a simple question. How does that hurt anyone by putting up a picture that is already public? I'm just trying to make
Urbana, remember ask you one question. You have a problem with fat?
Yep, as a fat girl, I have a problem. And now me see the
you have a
light of
problem with
inviting
it?
everybody for coming at the light. Yep.
Oh, you have a
So
problem
because
with
you
fat.
have changed,
So that means say the
you are going to dictate how everyone should change because you
Yes,
have
everybody
something
should
to
change,
regulate.
especially when you don't have so
Makes
much time
sense.
for
It's logical.
and you
It's
can't put in the
logical.
health, prioritize in the health.
It's very logical.
Because you know it's very bad when you can't, when somebody can't just hear
Skinny
your
does
voice and
not
hear
mean
say you're
healthy,
fat.
hon. Skinny
When
does not
somebody
mean
hears
healthy.
say you're fat,
Slim does not
when
mean
you can't
healthy.
just talk
It's a proper
and hear
diet.
say you're
It's
fat,
exercise.
you know it's bad.
It's
The time when
mentally
you're on
being
the panel,
healthy
you
as well,
can't
because
walk.
then you wouldn't be
You could either walk up and down.
your old insecurities onto everybody else.
We
It doesn't
all
look good, and it
have
doesn't
something we're
sound
insecure about.
No, but there's
We
a
all have
difference
something we're
between
insecure
little
about.
insecurities and you
We
pushing out
all have
your real
something we're
bad
insecure about.
insecurities
And
on
me
the world.
fix
It's
mine.
not good.
And me
It's
fix
not
mine. And me
progressive
I work
at
for mine.
all.
And you can
Not
work for yours
progressive
too.
at all.
It's good
I would like
advice.
to wish you
It's
best
good
in your journey,
advice.
and you have a great one. Good day.
Good day, Pepto.
Oh, y'all thought I was leaving the room. Absolutely not. This is my house. Be blessed.
And the truth is, Urban.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think. Let's watch some more and then move on to the next.
So there is no rules to war, and there is none, and we can't say anything. She said she don't care. There is no rule to war.
No kids over here. No. Cuss her, but don't cuss the kids. Kids innocent.
No, Urban are really insecure though. She insecure.
She's insecure. Come here because she gone too far. Because you used to be a fat girl.
Yeah, believe
you used to be a big girl. So when you pull up the people that fat picture and I put you up and you pull up the worst picture and I share the people, then stop it, man. You never like when people do it to you. Don't do it. If somebody comments something that you don't like, just tell them, say, you block them or whatever.
Every day she get up and she say she talk things about people, but people not say nothing about her. And when people say things about her, she jump up all the time. You see how quick she reach, and people just say.
But you know, say Urban have to go in our blacklist. She have to go in our blacklist to unblock me. That she have to do. She have to go in our blacklist to block me from over TikTok liar. To block me for come over here. Unblock me for come over here.
Hear them, there's something there. She unblock you for come over here to rot either.
She says, go down. And why she say go down, you know? Why she say go down? She still a strike you. Why she say go down? She still a strike you going down. She want lie bust up things by you, this girl sassy. I saw me here then say on the screen make her come and put her up on practice because sassy broke no blood clot. So why you don't want lie if you bring the youth down? And the youth a build a house and so no long I'm wicked pan up here. I sound strong and wicked when a man do something good and no want to see them fall. A them thing there. A them thing there on the pan. Let me tell you something, man. The house must done. Rosealee a pussy hole, Akim a pussy hole. Me let that cause figure his shit out. Because the two were there together. We are work against you. People no come on, no man. We need more people to join back on the man team, brother. The man can't play a game and not even tap on the tapping screen just because of something Rosealee said. I don't know Rosealee a liar. Jake, but you're supposed to wiser than that. A one liar and the girl use and bring you down. Me tell you that up your obia place. A whole heap of people then say she obia. So right now you need to believe. You need to believe that she a obia girl. So guess what you have to go do? You have to find some bad girl to play with. Just like how you did play with the girl them the other day and happy. The whole of last week me see you happy. So you need some bad girl. You be a bad waste girl. She will never like you. She will never rate you. She will never respect you. Because she done cross the line already. So you have to just accept it and know, say, yo, me not tell my kids them not about them, not about their mother. But at the same time, I'm not with their mother. You know what people co-parents from far? Miles upon miles upon miles. And then co-parents, good no blood clot. Good, good, good. You don't have to talk to her, brethren. You don't have to even reason with her again because that's what she up to. She up to one thing. If you see her in your mouth of garbage. She want to see her beg. I beg, she want to see you out here beg. And plead to her if you just hand something. She want you to run to her, come stretch out your hand. Make she get to class you. Because when she left you, you know, in her first part, you know, she said you never go nowhere. Him not go nowhere. And that's what she believe. That's what she think. But now you're gone. And she wonder where she got blood clot wrong. She wonder, hold on there. And where me go wrong? And she got mix up with some people when they want no front. For scream record me a man and laugh after them so they can't sleep with them. You think she not sit down in her house sometime and miss you? But gone are the days, brother. You have to get more serious now. You have to put your foot on ground. And make some people not say, yeah, hear me? You want this. Prove to the people that say, yo, me want this. Me want me youth them. Me want me also done. Stop talking to them people at GX. Throw them off. The only time you must go deal with a girl I talk to this woman where you call a baby mother. And when you're in the presence of a lawyer or an advisor, I want to deter them want to go. That's the only time I talk to her over really. One policeman come and this man come and tell you what you do forget your picnic them, brother. You figured all of that? When the policeman come over there and tell you how forget your picnic them? Rosealee can't get them, you know. So you have to get them. And try you have to get them, my brother. You have to do better than what you do. You are going to need the resources. So come talk to the people, them jakes. Come talk to the people, them. Make them feel your side. And stop listening to Rosalee's side. People may go jump, me go have one more strike forget. I mean, now make them get. So I go figure out the backers corners and I want them walk up on my page and I give me problem. Me sooner, man. Don't think me no sooner, you know. So me a black on a little. You hear? And what me I go do? I go show you how me go to work, you hear? I go show you how me go to work. Mom is the word, you hear? GX, we need to talk to you. Come out a man and show the people them the next side I kind. Oh, buckler, cesspool old girl. Will smell like them a bumbuck like bug. Yeah. Run off your life, come on.
Shut your pit, man, I'm ready for shit. Shut your pit mouth. Where they make that leave me? Where they make that leave me? Where they make that leave me a while ago? Where they make it leave me? Go on again. Go on again. Freaky dinky. He's a freaky dinky.
No, I'm gonna give it up.
People, me not tell you no lie. You see, Brit and Zozo are the most toxic person, them couple, me should say. Me see on social media, not even TikTok alone, but social media. And me love to see them together, although them toxic. You see me, I say, because me feel like say them complement each other. You see me? Let me know what you think.
It's a freaky dinky.
You know the time to argue with you.
So where you going? You gonna take me?
And I'm going to be a woman off now.
Alright. And there was a big old girl along though. Run your mouth back for yours. Look her body boy. Look her body boy. Look her body boy. No, the freaky deaky, you know. Freaky deaky, where you going? Yo, freaky. 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 Where am I? Where am I gonna go? So you want to take me home now, freaky deaky? So I tell me when I'm going to be here to the freaky deaky. So where are you going to take me then, freaky deaky? Oh, really? What do you think? Freaky deaky. Your live's still on. I never know your live's Freaky deaky gone outside, my girl. Freaky deaky outside. I guess we can play. Yeah. Hold on, you're mute. I try mute you, unmute you a while ago.
Okay.
Freaky deaky.
Why? Oh, you're so nice.
Oh, come here. Freaky deaky, say hi, come home.
And she called me barbz. Good morning. Chat, I love mix up, you see. I don't want me to come to see, you know. Good morning. I don't want me to come visit. Hi, Talia. And I give me some taps now. Guys, to the screen now. Give me some taps. 1, 2, 3. Top. Give me some taps now. Give me some taps. Where you saw? Right, God. I'll come for you. Good morning. You want to bring me out? You not bring me out. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Bangaling. Hey, give me some taps now. Give me some taps. Can you talk this screen now? Send me 3 roses. Send me 3 roses now. Thank you. Can you guys send me 2 roses? 2 coins now. 2 coins. Monster. Oh, nobody? Thanks, Diamond.
I know that. Want to take it from me now? I feel like I'm afraid of you. That's too much.
If you cannot walk in a doctor place and stretch out your hand and make them draw your blood and make the media see your AIDS result, pussy you have AIDS. Cause man fuck you and beat you around a blood clot watch you before you start wear boot clothes. Me know at least 150 man fuck you already. Remember me know your story. Remember Ochi you come from and me used to live at Ochi. Remember me know your blood clot story. So pussy if you can't stretch out your finger and do what AIDS says you have AIDS to chew. Don't come by me. Don't come by me cause me walk in a AIDS place, stretch out my finger, make the doctor jam my blood and show the whole blood clot media me AIDS result. And when you go up on Google you find the AIDS place, you find the doctor place. Remember you used to breathe every year when you're a femme and no girl never snub belly, you never drop none of belly yet. Remember when you used to dress like a femme? Every year you used to pregnant and you never give birth yet. So anybody for have AIDS are you because you don't use condom. Knowing you back then in a Ochi when you used to dress like a femme, you never used to use condom because every year me used to see you with a belly. Me don't know if I lower your low or you lose them. Or I name your blood clot name them for Sunday, Monday. I don't know. Me don't know if they used to dress like a femme, if you have low so when you get pregnant you lose them, or you name them for Sunday blood clot Monday, but a Ochi me used to blood clot live too. And you don't have a chick or a blood clot child, and every year you used to blood clot breed. Every year you used to breed big breast butch blood clot girl. Fuck out dash your belly Shade Edwards. But you come go like your man. Fuck out, girl. Ochi matches. Femme, a girl just like me. Femme, a girl just like me. We wear ear and just like me. That's a femme. Butch, a girl just like blood clot man and go like man. A man argument am I? Can nobody now wonder if your blood spoil? Are you say out of your mouth, guys, do go up on YouTube. Go up on YouTube and type in Am I sad story about having HIV. You go over there, go look for yourself. You have to skip blood argument, you have to sit blood argument out. Use a dead girl long time. And nobody then have to wonder if you did that. You come tell the people them. So when you hear dead argument, girl, sit it out. Sit it blood clot out. When you hear picnic argument, sit it out. Because you don't have a chikara channel, you don't like kids. And the fact you don't like kids, you're not supposed to talk about kids. Me hear you say you don't like picnic already. So you're not supposed to talk about people picnic.
My people, let me know what you think in the comment section. Yo, why them say everybody, at least not even them say, we all know that everybody is different, you know what I mean? And my people, some of the time wonder if how them people are grow up, how them stay so, or them just adapt certain levity and start move a certain type of way. You know what I mean? And then me look on it and me say, you know, say most of them are like adapt them lifestyle, yeah. And some of them just put on a show. Because my people, me don't know, me different. More than never like do them something, yeah, like we cuss and rave. Although me a man still, a man not supposed to cuss certain way, but you know what I mean? Me just different. I mean, no say yo, some of them something away like them not think more like even them people and them something that with them know long time, and if people are gonna look upon them and say, yo, how you stay so? What kind of thing that you are going with? Like friends and them way there. Like sometimes I think about like, you know what I mean, certain things like before me even do certain things, me I think about it. I say, yo, you know what I mean? Although you can't watch what people are gonna say, but sometimes you have to check yourself, you know what I mean? Check your morality and them something there, and you know what I mean, your standard and them something there, and say, yo, you know, bring down yourself certain way. Because my people, all of these cussing and something on social media, you know, it put you as a human being on a lower level in life, you know. So you better keep doing whatever you're doing while you do the cussy, because if you go in, even if you go in for a job interview and them something there, you know what I mean? Everybody watch social media nowadays. So maybe them look up your, like even type in a name or, you know what I mean, like them type of stuff they like me think about when me see them people do certain things. But some of them are make a lot of money off social media doing these things, so them no need to do no interview something. But even if you figure get even a visa or something like that, them are gonna see an online presence and them way there. But why me don't know my people? But me different from, although we can't judge everybody by this small group of people on social media still. So, you make me know what you think.
Oh, you like picnic overnight now? You like picnic overnight now? Remember the time when I didn't have my back before me turn enemy? I'm after the plan for a picnic in the future. You say, kids, you don't want a picnic. You don't really fancy kids. So why the fuck you talk about my picnic? And the last time I remember you say you don't fancy kids. Eh? When me ask if you not plan to breed smarty daughter, have a picnic, you say you don't fancy kids. Simple mean you don't like kids. So why the fuck you talk about my picnic, you don't like kids? Batty bun up, batty boy. The only batty boy on TikTok will bun up and look cranny. The worst transgender on the app. You're cranny and sick stomach. You're the only batty man who has said, Marista. Don't take me down. Take me down. For the people that have them head on them body and can spell palm beer, and to say the palm beer never spell right. For the people that have them head on them body and to say the ear and the date not add up. Some people not go through them things there. One heap of people not go through the palm beer if they say not spell right. No people not go type in the address on Google if they say lead you to nowhere. No people not look on the date and to say the date not accurate. How much you know? No, the people in my chat when they bring come on TikTok real. After see the test where blood clot cheese bring come. Come now guys, maybe on the reason man. Maybe on the reason upon the app no man. Oh, you know I said Tiki, my chat real. Come and see Tiki all that come with my chat. Oh, you know I said who else come with my chat pan TikTok? Oh, you know the people them pan TikTok my chat real after see where where cheese come with, guys. You know a bumbo clad idiot. My people them are me talk to you know, cause we have sense for the happiness. That's why the people them not like we, you know. And that's why the people them have got bill of blood clot for your test me think they could have taken me. I know me I bring down on the blood clot. You see that test the way cheese got bill for blood clot me. I don't feel like the cheese calm me down. I know me I bring down on the blood clot. Everybody me I dig up back. If I don't slip, I'll when you have to talk about me I talk about it. Me in a whole on the blood clot business. The difference with Uno and me is Skydiamond news is real. Me not have time to go build no file for no girl. Me get blood clot that, and if you don't look legit, me dash you away. And if you look legit, me bring you come to the forefront. That's the difference with me and Uno. Me not bring down blood clot girl for views and kind. Me not bring down girl for views and kind. Uno put on a business on this bumbo clot and me review that bumbo clot and give my opinion about it. That's the difference with me and Uno. The difference with me and Uno is me the voice of the people them. The people them don't have a blood clot platform and me have a platform and me lend them mine. That's the difference with me and blood clot Uno on the app. I'ma say I know me in on the blood clot business as on a slip on a slide. I know me in on the business. Look how long me know say a brown man breed blood clot. She's a New York. I'm gonna bring her business for the media. One Cked we walk barefoot. I mean, you can bring your business company media, but you can make a fake AIDS test to me. I'm not argue with you because me and you have to deal with it in a court. So I'm not argue with you. But see, rest of people them on TikTok. You know, to let me a blood clot stand up. I want to put up a fake test to me. I want in America. Me and Uno have to go to court. That's just the truth. So am I? She's there New York, you there New York, and me and you work on TikTok. No. As me make my lie them know, I'm a stream.
My people, more ask on the scene, like even some Batman want them youth. Me I wonder like woman where they with man and man where they with woman, like you have some of them sometimes will say them no want a picnic. Me I wonder why. You see me I say, me I wonder how you don't want no youth, you don't want nobody to call them mama or dada. You see me I say, me understand for a certain like part in a person's life, they maybe no want a youth because them dep on a career path or whatever. But overall, some of them say, oh, them don't want a picnic. What picnic do you know? If your mother never want a picnic, you do there. You see me I say, so why you don't want a picnic? Some of them, you know what the reason for them woman yeah, when them don't want a youth, because them don't want them body change upon them. Because them body are them biggest asset what them have in a life, and them don't want it change. You see me I say, and then when them get old, you know, and at the time they you see them a rush to get youth and them way there. You see me? You have some of them will get caught up in a life and time run out upon them, yes. But you have some of them deliberately say them no want a youth. And some of them can't have no youth. But the one them will deliberately say them no want a youth. Me feel like say them are wicked. You know, feel if your youth around them none tall. Big woman thing. If a person say them no want a youth, me not left my youth around them. All the people them who want youth, me no want left my youth around much less. Let me know what you think.
When you come for me come back for Uno. But me no make blood clot fake paper for Uno and facts me deal with. And this is what I do on the media. But me not make illegal documents for people. Me not edit or forge people blood clot documents. So let me say something to you, baby girl. Me I come to New York. So put up the paper so I can deal with you and cheese. Me can't manage. Remember different state me in there. Me can't too manage it back and forth. Me can't really manage it back and forth, good girl. I'm supposed to come to New York, baby. I'm supposed to come to New York, come deal with something, baby. So guess what? Put up the fake paper. Like what you said about the last time. Come here, set me ear say you have to put up the fake paper, cheese up. Put it up. Come here already get your name this morning. And where you live. That me tell you every day, the people them run you don't like you. Me get your full blood clot name this morning, me get your full fucking name and exactly where you live, and me get which part you always go sell pussy. Which man you always go sell pussy? Yeah, the rest of girls them. Me get the blood clot address and me I come to New York soon. So baby girl, me can't manage it back and forth. Just make it easier for me. Cause my sister don't want to sell fuck for me in a foreign. My sister don't want to sell fuck for me in a foreign. But am I? It's not my fault. Anything happened to you in your past happened to you. I don't know how you catch your ears. Like when you say on YouTube and you put it on YouTube, I don't know how it happened to you. I know me give it to you. I don't know my brother them give it to you. I don't know my sister them blood clot give it to you. So leave me and my clean blood alone. Am I? I don't know what happened to you back in Jamaica. I was not there. I did not know you. I'm 100% sure it's none of my siblings them response to what happened to you. So leave me and my clean blood alone. Leave me and my clean blood clot blood alone. Me don't know what happened to you in your past. Me don't have nothing to do with what happened to you in your past. But it's my destiny for my blood clean. And me accept it. Me could have said that juke me please and get a different result. But me get this result because this is my destiny. God didn't know this is going to be my result before the doctor give it to me. Am I going to take out your problem with your past and leave me alone? Am I going to blame the man that cut you in your face? And not my fault him cut you in your face and my face still clean. Look. Am I going to take out your problem from the right people them? See my face, yeah. I'm a real face, am I? My eye color, I'm a real eye. I always use filter hide my beauty, me a pretty girl. At first, me really come on TikTok without no filter. And today, me a pretty girl. White teeth, me not need veneer. White teeth, see there, I no veneer. All me do, I brush my teeth when I wake up in the morning. And if I eat something and I think I need to brush my teeth, I brush my teeth. And I brush my teeth when I go into my bed. Look. White teeth. Look at my skin. I'm in a bleach. It's a black girl. Natural, I'm a natural color this. I'm a natural color this. I live in a filter every day. I first become natural pump no and I know. See there. No filter now move. See there. So oh dear, when you call me ugly and you can't do this. Oh dear, when you call me ugly and you can't do this. Clean skin sky. All dimples me got. Look. Natural, bright, and out of order. Me a pretty girl naturally. Me just like the idiot filter them pan TikTok. Me nicer than all of the filter them pan blood clot TikTok. I just the truth. Me nicer than every filter pan TikTok. Me just like them. Which of my filter pan TikTok nicer than me? None. The filter them pan TikTok is a mess. Them spoil my beauty. Talk now. The filter them pan TikTok spoil my beauty. You look like a man come and push me cock in your mouth. Maybe all your mouth dirty. Go give me herpes for my big hood. Suck a ton. Cause half me cock you once in your mouth. All of me look like a man, my nice, skin clean. All of me look like a man, my skin clean, no blood clot, a whole heap of girl. People look like girl and your skin not clean, so. I may look like a girl, be nice. Which man can look like me? Look at my lip. Kissable. Blood clot. Look at my eyes. Shit. Damn, girl. Your eyes were brown? I didn't know. Damn, bitch. You had brown eyes? Oh, the filter took it from me. So y'all couldn't see it. Sister, I real face, yeah. Fuck when you feel like on this. Sister, them my real blood clot face, yeah. Fuck the filter. Nice girl, clap the teeth. No rotten teeth. People them draw me out. Girl, but me ugly. Girl, make me come live without filter. Fiesta. When I take that ugly cigarette off of my blood clot, my full time now, I take that off of my name. I said, guys, the people have tried me up and become live with my real tears. Nah, man, this is not cute, sister girl. Anyways, guys, me happy what I done. People them try me out, you know. Me say the girl said me ugly, no filter. No filter, she bright. Do what me do and beat me, guys. But we get back to business, because we are drunk this out now.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let's watch some more and then move on to the next.
Let me get serious now. Back to business, guys. Only need to walk in at the doctor place, stretch out your finger and say, doctor, joke me please. Make the life read the result. Moving on from today, no more my chart is not accepted. Guys, no more my chart is not accepted in my photos. Anybody come with no my chart in a reel. Look on the 8 steps where cheese make for me. If you did done so, you would believe it. If you couldn't spell palm beer, you would believe it because cheese never spell palm beer right. If she didn't use one right address, I want to type in the address and they find one doctor place, you would believe it. So moving forward, we cannot accept any my chart on TikTok. If you cannot walk into a doctor place like what Sky Diamond do, and say, doctor, joke me please, and read the result in the doctor place, show the result in the doctor place, we don't want the result then. It's just to show you these people, my chart and TikTok is not real. All of them will run up and down go, my chart, it is not real. Suppose they spell the things them right pan you. That's why it look real to it. Because if cheese did spell palm beer right, or use a right address, 90% of uno would have believe and your cheese did spell palm beer right, or use a right doctor place. Me could be real now. Suppose she didn't use that doctor place when me use. Suppose she didn't put that doctor place for the address when me go. Suppose she didn't type in the doctor place there where I went. Though when you type in it on Google, that's the doctor place. Though when you type in it on Google, that's the doctor place, how much I want to believe this story. So how we gonna know when they my chart real or not? We don't want to my chart on TikTok. If somebody say you have ears, the new trend, I mean set the new trend. This is the new trend. If somebody say you have ears, or say you're sick on TikTok, what you're going to do is, you're going to wake up in the morning, you're going to find the nearest doctor, the nearest health center, you're going to go there, you're going to do an HIV test on the live. When you finish your HIV test, you're going to take up the paper like this, you're going to take up the paper like this, and you're going to say TikTok to the result here. If you cannot do that on TikTok, we don't want to hear that result there, we don't want to see that result there. So the new trend on TikTok now, because I war running up in a peer war, the gallon war. And guess what? The new trend where cheese invents, I know she's inventing about, and she do it. When you're in a gallon war, you make a document. And like how we know say that them do on the app, we have to put a stop into it. Moving forward, when a girl run out and says, see my chat, you're chatting a real laptop and computer, then they behind the scene and do be an edit. A girl have can walk in the doctor place, like what Sky Diamond will have even the video. Even the video is here. You have to do what I do. You gotta walk into a doctor place. You gotta go to the doctor. I have the full video with even the doctor giving me my result before it even on paper while writing down. You have to have a full video. Uno my chat the real, you have to do a Sky Diamond do and beat me. You have to walk in at the doctor place, do the AIDS test and make the live reading the result. Uno my chat the real. None of uno on TikTok will run out with my chat in a reel. Appear anything that behind the scene and edit and make my chat. Me don't want to know my chat. Go one doctor now. If I get say sick now, you go man and you go now. Make the doctor joke you and make you read the result. If you can't do that, we don't want to hear your argument done. Me right or me wrong, guys? So I agree or do not agree? This is how you do it. Alright. This is swat. Let me call them and give them a state. Let me call me swat them. Come in if you ask them if they agree or if they not agree. Call. Guys, we have to deal with cheese. We don't know what's the last thing take time. People have to get up evidence. They have to do this, they have to do that. Plus the address where me have to cheese, we don't know if it's real. So they have to do things take time, guys. Things take time, but we're gonna deal with cheese. But not because me gonna deal with blood clot cheese, me gonna be a dummy. Any girl come about me I lick them in them back. And when cheese come with her feet, blood clot yet says for me, all of them did happy feet. All of them did happy feet, so me a stung like all of them back. Me a bring down all of them, me a cuss all of them, me a poop on all of them, me a shit and piss on all of them. Not because me a got blood clot coat with cheese means I don't me pan it up. You mad? Then you go make fake blood clot, yes, see me and the apple of you and I celebrate about it. And I ease them up. If I was a puppy last week, me's a dog this week. If me did bad last week, my worst this week is just the truth. Anyways, and these days, me not even feel like I want to come with no filter. Continue moving forward a pure natural beat pound of blood clot. None of the girl will call me ugly and nice like me. None of the girl will call me ugly skin not clean like for me. And a natural everything when I look on because this a bitch and a bleach. 4 years I'm gonna stop blood clot bleach my skin. Natural skin. I mean I have no veneer in my mouth and my teeth are white. Cause I know about IG, I know about brush blood clot teeth. I'm a tongue red. I know white blood clot tongue. I know about brush blood clot tongue.
It have to be something serious where it didn't build up. My niece is a very bright girl. She's very bright and she help run a school. She travel, she have good education. You understand what I say? And she if it does break down in a Migla one classroom and just bust out everything. You understand what I say? She got, honestly, have to be something with the panar. Bitch, if you don't care, come out of my comment section. Nobody never call you. Nobody never call you maga dog. We never throw no bone. We never throw a piece of bone to you. So all you reach over here, so. That's my niece. That's my niece. My niece. Right? Wanna see it on the media. She's my niece. You understand me? She get locked up the night. Her own mother lock her up. You understand me? Listen, I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna say allegedly. Thank you, baby. I don't know what happened, but I'm gonna say allegedly, right? So when time this come out, it can always be clarified because they love jump and say them are go sue, right? They love jump and say them are go sue and what you are gonna do. You understand me? No, allegedly, let's see what happened, right? Some scamming go on. Some scamming go on. You understand? A long time it can go on, but people you never just want to listen. No, it happened that said, my niece end up, we don't know what go wrong between she and her mother. Her mother never ever tell people say me and her sister. She said she don't want nobody know say me and her sister. You understand me? She said she don't want anyone to know that she is blood to me. You get me? So at the end of the day, right? You don't have to put me with she because I'm steering in my own way. You understand what I say? So no one here said she get look at no one here said she has scam no. You know what I say, Annie sister? No one here say she has scam no. Right? You know what here say, you know what come call the name say Annie sister? Bitch please. Don't call me name now say Annie sister. You understand what I say? So no una get scam. You don't want put her nose here, Annie sister. Oh, Annie sister, Annie dirty sister scam no. Annie dirty sister scam no. Why not call my name now? Me is no sister to her. Me is no sister to her, you know. She said she don't want nobody know say me and her sister. So why not call me name now with her for? Answer my question no. Eh? No one would really answer me now. Why would not call me name now with her? She said she don't want nobody knows say me and her a family. But when she want me to promotion, me and her a family. When she want me to things here, for highlight things here, me and her family. But otherwise, she don't want nobody at her school. She don't want nobody at her school to know that me and her is family. Family? Family. 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 Yeah, that same word there. Alright? So me is a black sheep. Leave the black sheep alone. You understand what I said? The only somebody I'm sorry for are my niece. The only person I'm sorry for is my niece. You understand me? The only person I'm sorry for are my niece. That's the only person I'm sorry for. I know for now wicked. Say she didn't scam on only did one get scam. No for
Alright, my people. I don't know why any sister would want people to know say them a kin. But me feel like see the behavior on social media still. And some of the time the people they want to act like them better than you. Closet full of more skeleton more than fear, you know? Life dirtier than fear, you know? But because nobody no see it in the public, you know what I mean? Make you watch some more.
Oh no, how wicked. You hear me tell you, my niece, me sorry for. Me sorry she never do it in a one better way. So when a mother could go lock her up now, and she have her little baby. She have her baby. You understand what me I say? And nobody now look on that. You understand me? Oh. Thank you, baby. Chat, beg on some taps. Beg on some taps, guys. I see him sister women make me the pan. Look at the lady, low me no man, me no tell us your family. Me never tell us your family. You can't come over here and correct my words. My words are my words. You understand what I say? Me say family, you say family too. You don't come here and correct me and go like you're brighter than me. You don't brighter than me. You understand me? If me say family too, what that you're supposed to do. Over here, you come over here and comment. The amount of time you comment and not correct me. Me did ask for no correction. You leave me alone here, man. Anyway, back to the story, what we was saying. We was talking about something very much important before she disinterrupt us. Right? And I don't like this interruption. No, I the same sister where they throw me out of foreign, right on the road. Oh, Annie, Candy, then... Chad, double tap for me, mama. Listen. Listen, me I say no, right? Cause me no want forget what me I say. I see him sister with it make me there foreign pan road. Yeah, me tell you I'm go through all the girl. I the same sister went time me there road. Me there foreign, then throw me out. Me nearly mad out. Remember one time I come and say, I'm going to tell you, say no. You know, say me nearly mad. And you know, say I laugh like when you think I joke. I never joking thing. Me nearly mad. I did last year. I was on my head not good already, like no joke. You serious? My head not too good, you know. My head not too right, you know. You understand what I say? If it's a battery and it depends 10%, me know say me chip out 5. Me know me chip out 5%. Right? And imagine to write it will make me there foreign to 2024, yeah. Yeah. And nobody never know when I time me dip on the road, me and my pitney. When I time I say me walk, go our next community, my mad out and I chat to myself. You understand what I say? Enough people can say, oh, family wicked. You understand? I remember, yeah, man, me nearly mad out, man. I walk going to our next community. It gone, plug out. You understand me? But my own sister throw me out. You get what I say? And when I time I get caught up, I don't know what if you do and up on the road, me there. You understand me? I tell you, I just walk and I talk to myself because I have to get myself together, I have to put myself together. All my daughter call me, I don't hear nothing at all, nothing now come back to me. Yeah, I could know, I'm not lie to you. I may chip out now and then, but that is when I'm hungry. I good know, man, seriously, true, Barbados. I good know, man. You know, anytime you see me chip out, just feed me. Me alright. everything fit you. Thank you, baby. Guys, we're gonna two donut now, please. And guys, oh God, man. K, watch K skin off your teeth. Guys, we're gonna two donut. It don't look so bad over here, so. It's not that bad. 2 donut, 1 rose. Yeah. Thank you. Josephine, baby, thank you, baby. Queen, bless up yourself, baby. Thank you so much. You know, me I try to say me could have do if me could have reach out to even our grandmother. Me have our father number. Me don't remember the father number. Me no remember our father number. I can let me put in on my phone. You understand what I say? If me could have reach out to some family member differently, cause what right one. As I say, some family will some family bad, you know. Cause you know, say if we unite with one another, we unite with one another and work together. It work, you know. But see, because we live bad. Everybody distance themselves. Everybody travel off. Who go so. You understand what I say? You tell me no part of you not go remember your own people, your own blood. You see me, it chip back in you because you grew up with this person. You understand me? Because right now, I just want a contact our people, them. Some person who could be close to them. Yeah, but me need somebody to contact me. If me just get somebody to contact me now, I promise you me do it. I promise you me do it. If me need somebody to contact me now, me not get no contact from nobody. If person just contact me and tell me which part me to go. You understand what I say? Me no know how which part up there so she left the baby. Now to understand, you know. Plus me, I don't even get it. The reason why I don't see me on live, me dey on race, me dey on medication. You understand what I say? And my pressure not go down, me sure for lose a pregnancy here. Me have to take care of myself too, you know. So somebody have to meet me halfway. Somebody.
People, is this interruption a word? Wanna prove me wrong, cause I swear that's not a word. You see me, just by hearing it alone, and me never hear nobody use it in a sentence or use it apart from no when Annie use it. Me sure say it's not a word. Me almost sure, cause me not gonna say yo, cause me never look it up and see. I first me I hear the word still. So look it up and tell me in the comment section if that is even a word.
Somebody got to meet me halfway. You understand me? My pressure sky high and it not going down. And the next time I end up a doctor, I end up a hospital, me I go if it not go down. So me have to relax myself, stop being more hyperactive and cuss over things. I have to eat good. You understand me? I have to exercise. I have to take my medication. You understand what I say? Right? So the end of the day, yeah, drink a lot of water. You understand what I say? So me have to think about me. Me have to think about me like no joke. Right now, me no good. What she say? Me fit walk a morning time. Yeah, this while I go me do the look dance. Yeah, me no see them me exercise. Walk a morning time, yeah. Thank you, baby. Queen, bless up yourself, babe. Thank you. Right? So if somebody drink coconut water, yeah, me do that. I definitely do that. Where him is? One on the where person? Tell him to send me a request now, please. Tell him to send me a request. Him can send me a request. He's live. Tell him that tell him coconut water with.
Mama never appear, mama never them not parent before she move out. Hey girl, go suck your mama come off from my life, you know. I mean, this your bum buck like, you know. Mama them never not parent before she lived there. Eh? Jamaican smart, what you do? Listen me up, I don't want 100 people sit down for me and tap my screen. See? I'm gonna stop do that. I'll tap the screen and show love. Remember say she a parent before we move go there. I will move out back. What the fuck when I can put that pan with her? And I nothing to do with it. How much bumbuckler money cost me to move? Eh? Make sense? Kerry's only thing me see I do a circle my life already. I realize I heal me or nothing. Now what go on? Bring your mama go court, man. We are not rent house together. Suck your mama, girl. Bring your mama, bring her go court. Go on. I fucking need ya. I no must malice ya. The time I turn on my life, I say, I go and carry the answer. Like me, I have something. Me, I have something. Hey, say me lucky. Mika say, you go work. What time I go work? Me go work. Snow, bumbo. Snow, that's a. Tell me because if you pay for your laundry, then what she can use it. The laundry, then what she wear, pay the bill, what she wear. Go suck her mama. You have to go Shebada Rvn down. And tell her if you go stop making a man fuck pan her too. And if you're a young girl, if you stop mind man, can't be 18 and a mind man. Go suck your mama like a handicap girl. Don't make me this one, you know. Me day a phone, you know, just through me in a circulate, you know. I through the bus broke down. I'm gonna reach my destination, eh? So when I reach my destination and plug in a bumbuckler phone, eh? Me I got this the whole family. See? Me I got this the whole bumbuckler family. Cause nothing over me, you know. Girl, if me wear you $5,000, you wear more than 6 bumbuckler lingerie, you owe me. You owe about 4 grand. So take your 5 grand out of blood clot lingerie money and put on your 4 grand. Me send fee. See? And Annie, the clothes them was Zoe wear go take man. More you stay so books and send the money they come to cause and a free we pay for lingerie them. See? So me I go tell you now how my mindset right now. Me corrupt. Me corrupt your fuck. See? I chew all you beg me say nothing, you know. But me come round here and me hear me talk about bill. Look a big mouth girl. Listen to me. And listen to me good. See? Pay for the blood clot lingerie them where you offer. And you see leftover change, use it pay your bill. Simple maths, in a heart. See now, Annie, you know, you need to pay for your lingerie them where you wear. Yesterday, you put on one of the lingerie them, I see a little leopard lingerie. You pay for it at $2,500 for me something, you hear? So make sure you pay for that blood clot too. And all the rest of one them. You see one the green one where you put on in a video where you show up your little shape but blood clot all self. More you put on the blood clot, the money for that the green one there too. And all I want them wanna wear and add up me look a bumbuckler money them. Cause something go come out tight. See? And the things them your bumbuckler. Me corrupt now, you know. Me corrupt body. Oh, so me now want nobody a fuck on herself with me. Fuck on herself with me. And I never have a problem. She soon start talk, man, now on herself. She been ask them for the money. But they don't want she about no money. She been ask them for the blood clot money. Bad bro, give me a light them, G. She been ask them for the money. Tell them if you put in Jagga, make Jagga go and beg pan TikTok and help you. Cause Jagga never not pay no rent, you know. My channel, you know. I tell them so when I say clean, you know, man. Just wait. You know you there? Yeah, I saw you go. Wanna follow me for arguing?
This was the only thing that I get access to. This. I get access to seeing these stuff. How me can change this? How can I change this to put it on the one that... How can I change this to put it on the one that is my hand? How do you do that, chat? How do you put the emoji where you just use your hands to set these stuff up? No, not that one. I want to use the one. I want to use the filter that allows me to use my hand. Yeah, because I don't want to really put these stuff on screen. I think like putting them on hand would be much more better. No, this was the only response I could ever get from this person while I was sleeping in a truck. Oh God, Father Jesus. Anywho, meanwhile I was sleeping in a truck and trying to figure out my life in the best way, shape and form. This was all the stuffs. These were basically some of the stuffs that the only thing.
The people, them say prison on the bed of rose, foreign on the bed of rose neither. You hear that? People, we carry you go there so go deal with it in the worst type of way. I wonder who this a person. You see me, I say family where you know from your born, you know them and you and them good. Them, we make you say, no man, I wonder if me and them people have family. You have to wonder, yo. I wonder if me and them people have family for real. But people, me tell you something, man. You see anybody will open up them doors to you and, you know what I mean, make you stay at them place of foreign, yo, thankful for that person there, yeah? Because foreign corrupt people. Me I tell you, big woman thing, foreign corrupt people. So anybody who open them doors and not show you no eat that face or nothing like that, be thankful for them. You see me I say, and when you have people place and stay, as much as you can do, please do it. You know what I mean? If you just make everything smooth and as much as you can, stay out of the place, stay out of there. Just go there when you want to sleep. You hear me say? And do as much things that you can do. Fix up the place, wash up the place. Yo, you have to just slave out yourself. People, yo, some people go to, yo, if some people tell you what them go through in them life of fire, yo, or they can't believe just for your green card with people. You hear me say? Channel star. Enough people, them life waste and revolve only around one thing. Them go foreign and try and make it, I try get papers or something, and the amount of things that them go through my people. So before you think you go that route there, you know what I mean, think it over.
That I could really look at and be like, damn. So I am here thinking that I'm trying to get my life together to start a family with somebody who is not trying to start a family with me. But anyway, these are some of the stuff that I get access to actually, you know, to see. You see this? These are all the access that I get to see. Man over there, so man over there, so Jesus God. Not a one. This one, let me show you, because it get even worse. It get even worse. Look at this. You think we're done yet? Look at this, motherfucker. Look at this. I'm talking about a married woman, you know. A woman said, because this is what she's claiming. She's claiming that, okay, she's married and all this stuff. No, this, no, oh shit. Why go back to that? Why go back to that, man? I don't want to use that. I want to use this. No, this is the same person, you know, who says, oh yes, I'm a married woman and yes, he's my husband. How the fuck am I here? Girl, if you know what I know, just pray the Lord that mankind don't think like, that God don't think like mankind, because if God did ever think like mankind, I'm telling you, this world would have been one piece of blagga. Look here. Is that what I'm calling for? No, this supposed to be. Yo, you know what? I have nothing to prove here, man. Chat. I'll give you guys some hints on Snapchat. That's all. I'm not trying to bring down this person to the level that they were trying to bring me. You understand? I'm not trying to be on the same level of putting them back in the same category that they once put me in. The thing is, I would just love for people to learn from their mistakes and know that sometimes you have to be careful how you deal with God's children. Because when you are chosen by God, there's nobody in this world can distract you. And there's nobody in this world can break the plans that God have for you. My life is not 100% how I want it to be. I am not rich. I don't have everything that my heart desire. I don't have everything that I want to have. But so far, so good. I've come a long way. I've choose peace along my journey. My sleepless nights, my hungry days, I see no one. So I feel like, with all due respect, I respect everyone and I appreciate everyone. But at the same time, I'm not trying to let my future life reflect on my past because, okay, this is what, no, I'm not gonna do that. So before I come and, you know, make somebody that I once was around or somebody that was once around me to make them such a bad image as how they portray me, that wouldn't make me no different from them. You understand? God told you already, say you must forgive and forget. And we as human know that we can forgive, but we won't forget. It doesn't matter how long, where, or what. We can forgive, but we won't forget. Now, this is just life. Understand? Things come in your life, in your path to build you, not to break you. Things come in your path to motivate you, not to distract you. Things come in your path to uplift you, not to break you down. And the race is not for the swift, but who can endure it. Life is very simple, you know. I tell everybody this, and I tell everybody that I speak with, talk to, or whoever I'm trying to be in a relationship with. You have to just learn that don't do things to people that you wouldn't want people to do to you, because this life is very unfair. And the same how karma can attack for me, karma can attack for you. So be mindful of the words you use, be mindful of the decisions that you choose to make. Sometimes people think that they're running down this life that is out there. Let them run. Let them go for the life that they think that they could have without you. Because trust and believe, the life they think that they could have without you, the Lord is going to give you so much more that you yourself can even imagine how blessed you are. And that's just me. I won't try to change to please anyone, and I'll never come on here and say that I've never do nothing wrong to, you know, to receive these treatments or anything like that. I do things wrong with words. I do things wrong with words because I said I use words instead of physical connection. You understand? I use words, and people just don't like your words. So when they don't like your words, that causes for a reaction, and the reaction become physical. No, I am 100% with no man that abuse woman, no man that put them hands on female, and nobody that ever beat down a lady to a level that she's not supposed to be on. Because the same way I don't want it to happen is the same way I don't want nobody to do it to my sister. You understand? But she's not I have a body enough to try that. You get me? But yeah. But you know, if there's one time in life, I hope I get a chance where you know, I don't owe her nothing. She don't owe me nothing. I don't have to speak to her never in my life. She don't have to speak to me never in her life. But I feel like sometime in my life, I feel like I would like to have a sit-down conversation where I try to, you know, get the adultness on both partner side, on my side and on her side. Yeah, I understand that I have the name, I have the shots, and me can call them, but time will tell itself, you get me? And if something like that's supposed to happen, I feel like in due time, if God wanted it to happen, it will. It's not for me to make that decision, and it's not for me to criticize anyone, and it's not for me to beat them down to the lowest part of their life. No, I still pray for that girl. I still pray for her. I still pray for her whenever I get a chance. I still wish her the best. I still hope that, you know, one day she can realize that life does not stop with one person. A person may be out there that is perfectly for she, and a person may be out there who is perfect for me. It just happened that, you know, we come across each other in a time.
Well, my people, wanna just learn a lesson from dummy whole thing, you know what I mean? Don't put your hand on a woman. You see me I say? Cause in life you may be in a relationship or a situation where you feel like the worst thing you ever, you know. Just think them and ride out your storm, and you don't know what might come in the future. See it, they know him a big TikToker, and him can maybe pick and choose the type of woman them when deal with, cause you know the woman them love the TikToker them and want to spend on them and all these things. You know what I mean? So he mess up himself that them have to go send him home. That is a sad thing. But I think so how dummy I talk about the Lord and all of these things, my people, and him wife say, or him ex-wife or whatever, say I be oil and powder the man you the ex-wife say I be oil the man used to deal with, my people. Be oil and what again? I must see a Bible with some mark up in it and then sitting there. Don't me away did that practice. Why people sometimes you have to take bad things, make joke. Let me know what you think. Make watch some more.
The life where nobody expect whatever happened to happen, but it is what it is. And you know, I will still pray and I will still wish the best, but going forward I don't want no beef, I don't want no back and forth. I just don't want to have no form of negative energy towards that conversation or towards, you know, that situation. I would just like to focus on what I got going on and focus on how I can better off my career and how I can become a person that I always